Hey everybody, it's Scott Smith from Southern California. We just got in this new 2015 BMW 435 GRAN COUPE with the M Sport package. Pretty much loaded, upgraded with the 19s, also the full adaptive LED headlights. Thought I'd do a little walk around on it. Hey, if you guys like these videos, man, please share them with your other media sources. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, so next generation lighting technology on these now. You know, with the xenon gas bulbs, those ones are going to be standard, and this is the upgrade for you. So really nice look. Definitely something you can notice at night. The full M Sport package does come with a modified front bumper. There's only certain colors, remember, that you can get the M Sport package in, and this one's the black Sapphire. Really nice upgrade on the wheels too. Check out the paint. Got some deep metallic. It's got a real nice shine to it. Also with the M Sport, you're going to get the shadow line exterior, what I call black chrome. Really nice on cars like this and the black Sapphire. GRAN COUPE has got the signature frameless windows, frameless doors. It's a really cool design, especially when the windows are down. Show you that real quick. Just a nice touch when you got to get in and out of the car, just like a coupe, except this one's a four-door, obviously. Let's go ahead and put up. This car also has the Harman Kardon sound system in it. You can see the black trim inside also. This one's got the textured silver interior. I'll get to the sticker in a minute. That door to close. These don't come with soft close, just to let you know. Nice modified rear bumper also comes with these. And this one is the 435, so it's the twin power turbo 6-cylinder, 300 horsepower, 300 foot-pounds of torque. BMW's gotten it to 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. The rear hatch door does have 4 levels of settings, so if that's going a little too high, you can customize it in the iDrive system and have it stop a little lower in case it might hit the garage door. And you can see you got the power close there and also the lock button. Now these will come standard with the 40-20-40 seat, so that way you can drop the middle and stack stuff if you still have 4 passengers. US models do have the floor mats included, and you do have some storage down here, and you can see there's the extra cargo net in case you want to strap down some stuff back here in the area. You've also got places to hang your grocery bags, charging port, nice low overhang, easy to get stuff in. Also, if you have the key in your pocket, you know, you can kick underneath the bumper to open it, but you can also close it. So you walk up, put your foot underneath, kick back. Now it'll actually close for you. There we go. Let's get over to the sticker. You see, they put the nice badge on there, GRAN COUPE. Alright guys, here we go. Base price $45,800. We can go down the packages here. You can see you got the sport package, driver's assistance, lighting package, premium package, technology package. This one's also got your premium sound, heated front seats. So you can see a total US dollar amount here of $61,375. You can see the gas mileage there, 25 for an average, 21 city, 32 highway. They do recommend the premium gas in these. Let's go on inside the car. You can see you got the M Sport badging there. Sticker's still on it because this is a new car. And you can also see the dead pedal there. It's got a nice design with the M Sport. A lot of the newer cars now are coming with some great storage here underneath the headlight control. One of the nicest options of the M Sport too is definitely the steering wheel. Nice nappa leather, it's thick, grippy, paddle shifters. Very open steering wheel too, which is cool, easy to see the gauges. This one does have the full technology package, so we do have the heads-up display. Maybe you can see the 0 floating out there. 8.9 widescreen navigation system. So you can see here, this is set up on the rear camera. On the bottom of the screen there, that's actually the bumper too. So green lines are your direction of travel, the red is your maximum turn. So when I turn the wheel, now the lines can be turned off too. Don't have to have them on there. And you can see that green box there is showing you the wall back there. That's the obstacle warnings. You don't have to have those on. You can definitely turn those off if you want. And then even the lines you can have off. So you get a nice clean camera view if you want to. It has a 20 gig hard drive in it for download music. And you can see on that side of the screen you got the sensors over here, the front and back. Great for parallel parking. Steptronic transmission. Touchpad controller, and this one's got the nice textured silver trim in here with the M Sport package. Black anthracite headliner. Got the moonroof that's going to be standard on these cars with the 4 Series. One thing to notice too is you look out the rear view mirror, you can see the view you have out that back window. It's a little tighter than a regular sedan, just something to be aware of. Let's go into the back seat there. Do have the rear air conditioning and a power source. And the seats, just pull them on down. So you can see they're not completely flat, they're close. Great storage if you drop all the seats. You could throw bicycles in here. Or if you go with an X-Drive all-wheel drive, you could throw some snowboards, some skis, pretty easy. Carry a lot of cargo if you need to. Do have the rear armrest, cup holders. Let's give you another shot of the car here. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, share it on your media sources. Give me a thumbs up. 2015 BMW 435 GRAN COUPE M Sport package with the upgraded 19s and the adaptive LED headlights. Thanks for watching.